Welcome to our educational video on operations management. Operations management involves the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible. It ensures operations run smoothly and products meet quality standards at an optimal cost. Understanding operations management is essential because it enhances productivity and boosts overall business performance. It balances costs and revenue to maximize net operational profit. Companies rely on operations management to make data-driven decisions, streamline processes, and improve customer satisfaction. By mastering the basics of operations management, you're setting the stage for success in any business venture. As we dive deeper, you'll gain insights fundamental to thriving in the world of business. We'll explore how these principles are applied in real-world scenarios, showcasing their role in driving company success. Operations management oversees production processes, manages supply chains, and optimizes resource utilization to ensure smooth business operations. From manufacturing to logistics and service delivery to quality control, it impacts all facets of an organization. Its importance cannot be overstated as it directly affects a company's bottom line and customer satisfaction. Key functions include product design, process planning, scheduling, inventory management, and quality assurance, each requiring meticulous attention to detail and strategic thinking. As businesses evolve, staying adept at new methodologies and technologies is crucial. We'll uncover real-world examples and expert insights, highlighting the critical role of operations management in today's dynamic business environment. Now, let's explore its key functions and their contribution to overall business efficacy. To better understand operations management, we'll examine a real-world case study of Company X, a leading manufacturer known for its innovative approach and commitment to quality. Founded over 3 decades ago, Company X has grown from a small local business to an industry leader with a global presence. Their success is built on strong operations management principles that we aim to explore. By diving into their operations, we uncover practical applications of the theories and principles we've discussed. Company X provides a unique opportunity to observe these principles in a dynamic business environment. Through this case study, you'll gain insights into their history, strategic decisions, and the impacts on efficiency and productivity. Let's embark on this learning journey together. Company X faced several operational challenges affecting their efficiency and productivity, such as workflow bottlenecks and delays, logistics issues with timely deliveries, and internal communication barriers. These problems increased costs, affected customer satisfaction, and led to major disruptions. As a result, minor issues often escalated into significant operational hurdles. Now, let's delve deeper into these challenges to understand their root causes and implications. Stay tuned as we explore how these issues were uniquely addressed by Company X and uncover expert analyses of these operational problems. To provide deeper insights into our case study, we are honored to introduce Dr. Smith, a seasoned expert in operations management with over 20 years of experience. Holding a PhD in industrial engineering, he has contributed extensively to academia and industry, publishing numerous papers on optimizing operational efficiency and productivity. Dr. Smith has consulted with various Fortune 500 companies, helping them navigate complex operational challenges and implement effective solutions. His knowledge and practical experience will deepen our understanding of Company X's issues and the strategies employed to overcome them. Dr. Smith's insights drawn from real-world applications will shed light on efficient operations management. Dr. Smith, a seasoned expert in operations management, now delves into the challenges faced by Company X. He identifies the root causes that hindered their efficiency and productivity, breaking down complex issues into fundamental components like operational bottlenecks and systematic inefficiencies. Understanding these challenges is crucial for implementing effective solutions. He highlights how inadequate resource allocation, outdated technology, and inconsistent processes contributed to these setbacks. This analysis serves as a foundation, guiding us through the subsequent solutions that Company X implemented. From this thorough examination, we gain valuable insights into the intricacies of operations management, setting the stage for transformative change. Next, we will explore the solutions Company X employed to overcome these challenges. Company X implemented several innovative solutions to address their operational challenges. They began by streamlining processes and adopting advanced technologies that automated repetitive tasks, leading to significant time savings. Additionally, Company X focused on employee training, ensuring their team was well equipped to handle new systems. This investment in their workforce improved morale and productivity across the board. Another pivotal change was optimizing their supply chain, reducing lead times and expenses. By fostering stronger relationships with suppliers and utilizing data analytics, Company X achieved greater efficiency and reliability. They also instilled a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging feedback and suggestions for enhancing workflows. Welcome back. Now we're diving into an expert analysis of the solutions implemented by Company X. Our guide, Dr. Smith, will take us through the key refinements and improvements that Company X used to tackle their operational challenges. Dr. Smith evaluates the effectiveness of these solutions, uncovering how these changes transformed Company X's operations, boosting efficiency and productivity. From streamlining processes to implementing new technologies, each step was meticulously planned and executed. Dr. Smith sheds light on the real-world impacts, sharing insights on what worked seamlessly and what required further adjustments. His analysis not only validates the success of implemented solutions, but also highlights lessons learned along the way. Efficiency is a key aspect of operations management. It involves maximizing output while minimizing input, ensuring resources are used effectively. Efficiency refers to achieving desired outcomes with minimal waste of time, effort, or resources. It's not just about working harder, but working smarter. Efficiency in operations can lead to significant cost savings, improved productivity, and a stronger competitive edge. By optimizing processes, reducing waste, and leveraging technology, businesses enhance efficiency, resulting in better performance and profitability. In the realm of operations management, efficiency is a continuous journey of improvement. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into its practical applications and real-world impact in the next segment. Productivity is another crucial aspect of operations management, measuring how efficiently inputs are converted into outputs. It's a key indicator of operational efficiency and vital for staying competitive. Productivity isn't just about working harder or longer. It's about optimizing processes and using resources wisely to produce more with less. High productivity levels enable companies to reduce costs, improve quality, and deliver products faster, fostering customer satisfaction and loyalty. Moreover, productivity is closely tied to innovation. By consistently seeking ways to enhance productivity, companies often uncover new methods or technologies that revolutionize their operations, fueling long-term success and sustainability. Next, let's examine real-world examples of productivity improvements in action. Let's dive into how Company X significantly improved their efficiency and the impact it had on their operations. Initially facing several challenges, they implemented a series of strategic improvements, including optimizing workflow processes, integrating advanced automation technologies, and streamlining communication channels. The results were remarkable. Company X saw a significant reduction in production times, minimized errors, and enhanced overall productivity. One notable change was introducing an automated inventory management system, which dramatically reduced manual stock checks and forecasting time. These efficiency improvements led to substantial cost savings and increased profitability for the company. Stay tuned to uncover the next steps in Company X's journey toward operational excellence. Now let's look at how Company X enhanced their productivity and the resulting benefits. By implementing targeted strategies, Company X streamlined their processes, reduced downtime, and increased their overall output. These productivity enhancements didn't just result in more efficient operations, but also significantly impacted their bottom line. Employee morale improved as workloads became more manageable and focused, which not only increased job satisfaction, but also decreased turnover rates. Furthermore, operational improvements led to better resource allocation, driving cost savings, and increasing profitability. Company X's experience highlights how effective productivity enhancements can transform business operations. Stay tuned for insights from Dr. Smith on best practices for implementing productivity enhancements. Dr. Smith will now share valuable insights on enhancing efficiency and productivity in your operations. Drawing from years of experience and research, he will delve into effective methods and strategies proven in real-world settings. Effective time management is fundamental, ensuring tasks are prioritized and resources allocated optimally. Leveraging technology like automation and data analytics can streamline processes and reduce unnecessary workload. Fostering a culture of continuous improvement is crucial. Encourage your team to identify bottlenecks and suggest innovative solutions. Performance metrics should be regularly reviewed to track progress and make informed decisions. By focusing on these key areas, organizations can achieve significant boosts in efficiency and productivity. Technology plays a significant role in modern operations management. By leveraging technology, companies can enhance efficiency, improve productivity, and stay ahead in a competitive landscape. Consider automation, which streamlines repetitive tasks, reduces human error, and frees up employees for more strategic activities. Data analytics tools transform raw data into actionable insights, allowing companies to make informed decisions. Software solutions like ERP systems integrate various business processes, providing a holistic view of operations. This interconnectedness leads to better resource allocation and coordination across departments. In logistics, technologies such as GPS tracking and IoT devices enable real-time shipment monitoring, enhancing delivery accuracy and customer satisfaction. Stay tuned to discover the transformative power of technology in action. In this segment, we'll delve into how Company X strategically implemented technology to enhance their operations. By focusing on specific technological advancements, they unlocked new levels of efficiency and streamlined their processes. Employee productivity soared, and the overall workflow became more cohesive. Through this technological integration, Company X not only optimized their production lines, but also reduced operational costs significantly. We will analyze the tools and systems that made this possible and evaluate their substantial impact. As we move forward, you'll see how these technological changes were pivotal in transforming their business landscape. Dr. Smith will now delve into the pivotal role technology plays in operations management. By harnessing advanced tools such as automation and data analytics, businesses are redefining efficiency and productivity. Through expert analysis, Dr. Smith explores how technology is transforming traditional operational models. By integrating state-of-the-art technologies, companies can streamline processes, reduce costs, and enhance performance. Moving forward, consider future trends in technology. Innovations like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things will revolutionize operations management. Understanding these trends is critical for maintaining a competitive edge. Dr. Smith's expertise sheds light on practical applications and the potential impact of these technological shifts. In today's world, sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It's a fundamental aspect of operations management. Embracing sustainability helps companies protect the environment and improve long-term efficiency and resilience. It involves adopting practices that preserve resources, promote social responsibility, and ensure economic viability. Sustainable operations help companies meet regulatory requirements, reduce costs, and enhance their brand reputation. Effective strategies include minimizing waste, optimizing energy usage, and responsibly sourcing materials. As we delve deeper into the significance of sustainability, we'll uncover best practices and real-world examples illustrating how businesses can thrive while being environmentally conscious. By adopting sustainable practices, companies can gain a competitive edge while contributing to a healthier planet. Let's see how Company X implemented sustainable practices and the impact it had on their operations. Company X embarked on a journey towards sustainability by adopting green policies and practices. They started with simple changes, like reducing waste and optimizing energy use. Over time, they expanded these efforts, integrating renewable energy sources and designing environmentally friendly products. These sustainable practices reshaped their operations. Employee engagement surged and operational costs decreased thanks to energy-efficient processes and waste reduction. Additionally, Company X noticed a significant improvement in their public image as customers increasingly preferred them for their commitment to sustainability. This journey underscores the profound impact that sustainable practices can have on an organization. Dr. Smith will now share insights into best practices for integrating sustainability into operations management. His experience allows him to distill complex strategies into actionable steps that can transform business practices. Sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's an essential component of modern operations that can significantly impact efficiency and productivity. By implementing these best practices, businesses achieve a balance between economic performance and environmental responsibility. Dr. Smith emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement and innovation in sustainable operations. He highlights real-world examples where companies successfully integrated sustainability into their workflows, leading to reduced waste, lower costs, and improved employee morale. Stay tuned to learn how sustainability drives ethical operations and long-term profitability. In this concluding segment, let's summarize the key learnings from our comprehensive case study on Company X and the invaluable insights shared by Dr. Smith. Throughout the video, we've explored how effective operations management can significantly boost efficiency and productivity. We delved into the challenges faced by Company X, the root causes of these issues, and the strategic solutions they implemented to overcome them. We also examined the critical role of technology and sustainability in modern operations management. The case study highlighted the practical steps Company X took to integrate technology and sustainable practices. Dr. Smith's expert analysis provided us with a deeper understanding of best practices and future trends in these areas. As we wrap up our exploration of operations management, let's reflect on its critical importance in driving business success. Effective operations management lays the foundation for efficiency, productivity, and overall organizational growth. We trust that this video has enlightened you on the pivotal aspects and practical applications of operations management, illustrating how businesses can overcome challenges and implement strategic solutions. Whether you're a student or a professional aiming to optimize your company's operations, these principles are key to achieving sustained success and competitiveness in today's market. We appreciate your time and dedication to learning with us. Stay curious and continue exploring the vast field of operations management. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Subscribing keeps you up to date with our latest educational content on operations management and beyond. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to continuing this journey of learning and growth together. Your support allows us to keep creating valuable and insightful videos. Remember, the principles and practices we've discussed today are just the beginning. There's much more to explore, and we're excited to have you with us every step of the way. Subscribe now and don't miss out on our future content. See you next time.